Today I'm going to show you 4 features of WhatsApp that you may not know and that will make your life easier or better. Let's start with number 1. Alright, I'm going to start with showing you how to pin a chat to the top of your WhatsApp home screen, so to say. So, hold down the chat that you want to keep up top, and then right here in the top bottom you'll see the pin. Press that and you'll see that it's gone from the bottom, and if I scroll all the way up you'll see that it's pinned right here. You see that? Alright, now whenever there's a new WhatsApp coming in, this one will stay up top and the other new apps will come down here. If you want to undo this, just simply hold it down and press the unpin button up here. Now it's back to its original position all the way in the bottom. Number 2 is learning how to mark one message as a favorite. For example, I'm going into this chat and I want to keep this chat right here as a favorite. I'm going to hold it down and you'll see a star appear in the bar up here. Press that and a little star is right there. You see that in this message? Alright, this means it's marked as a favorite. I'm going back to my home screen, press the 3 dots up here and go to Start Messages. Click that and then you'll see that it's popped up here. Now, in this area you can search for certain words like leuk. This is a Dutch word. It's called fun. It means fun. Alright, now you see it appear. Now if you press any chat in here that you have saved as favorite, it'll take you right into the conversation, no matter where in the conversation it is. So that's super useful if you want to make sure that you can find whatever you're looking for easily. That's it, basically. And if you want to unfavorite it, unstar it, you just hold it down and press unstar. The next feature I'm going to show you is deleting all of your chats at once. This is really simple. You just go to your WhatsApp home screen, tap the 3 dots up here in the upper right corner and go to settings. Then go to chats. And here you'll see chat history. This is a very illogical place if you ask me, but alright, we're going to tap it anyways. And here you'll see 4 options and the bottom option is delete all chats. This will remove everything, including the media, from your WhatsApp. This is especially useful if you're going to have a new phone or whatever. The last feature is showing you how to send a picture and making sure that the receiver can only open it once. This does not mean that they cannot screenshot it, but they can only open it once. So what do? Alright, select the person that you want to send a photo to, make a picture. This is just a simple picture of my table. And all you gotta do right here is press or tap this little 1. And now you see it say photo set to view once. When you send this one, she can only open this once. So, these were all 4 features. Now, let me know in the comments below which one you will start to use. Follow me for more tips, and especially there's a new feature on WhatsApp. I'm going to make a next video about it, and you should see it here first. Subscribe. Bye bye.